For 35 hours a week, children are forced to wear uniforms made from harmful fabrics, running around all day, getting hot, sweaty and agitated at a vital stage of their development. Fibers that make up uniforms such as conventional cotton and oil-based synthetics like polyester consume huge amounts of resources and use toxic chemicals, which is why the textiles industry is one of the biggest polluters on the planet. Conventional cotton is also responsible for millions of farmers living below the poverty line, being seriously indebted because of high interest loans needed to buy fertilizers, and for hundreds of thousands of deaths from pesticide poisoning and suicide. And in some places, women and girls toil for as little as 5p an hour making garments. And what happens when kids grow out of their uniforms? Well, 80% of discarded textiles are destined for landfill, where they can take hundreds of years to decompose, polluting the air, soil and groundwater. Even much of what we donate gets packed, shipped and dumped in landfills or resold overseas, which can undermine local textile industries, the workers and their families. Now, imagine a life where children could not go to school because they couldn't afford a uniform. For many children, life without an education is just life. It's normal. In fact, there are 62 million girls around the world not in school, mainly due to costs. Here's the crazy thing. All of these challenges are solvable. And at KAPES, we are on a mission to do so by changing school uniforms for the good, for good. We want to empower children to help change communities, be more connected to the people that make what they wear, shop sustainably as they get older, and pass on these values. We use natural fibers without the bad chemicals that are better for the planet, farmers, and the well-being of our children, like organic cotton. We produce clothing in ethical workshops, and we use blockchain technology to tell the story of every product, from the source of our materials to their impact. We give uniforms a new life through take-back schemes, rewarding parents and children with discounts on new purchases and offers with brand partners for helping us to avoid pollution and reduce consumption. And as a uniform can reduce school absenteeism by 62%, for every uniform that we sell, we provide one to a child in need in a developing country, as we know how important education is in laying the foundation for vibrant lives. And we make them locally to empower women and help boost these communities. Together, we can build a better future, where nobody has to lose and heroes wear capes.